Hello friends, welcome in Match Term. Today we solve remaining problems from practice set 1.5. After reading problem, we come to know in this problem they have given us two type of boxes and we need to find out their weights. So first of all we assume the weight of boxes of type A be X kg and that of box of type B be Y. They also give weight in tons. So 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg and 10 ton is equal to 10,000 kg. Now read first condition. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 ton. So from first condition, we get 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. But all terms can be divided by 50. So divide by 50 to both sides and we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. That is equation 1. Now read second condition. When 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. It means 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B. So from second condition, we get 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000. But all terms can be divided by 20. So we divide by 20 to both sides and we get 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. That is equation 2. Now we have two equations. And fortunately, both of having same coefficients of variable y. So no need to make same coefficient again to eliminate. Due to having same sign of 8, we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. After subtraction, we get the value of x is equal to 30. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. After solving equation 1, we get the value of y, that is 55. Now write answer in word like this. We move towards next problem. Problem number 6. After proper reading, we come to know there is condition of distance, speed and time. So here we have to use formula of time, that is time is equal to distance upon speed. So before that we need to assume the distance we shall travel by bus be x and by aeroplane be y. Total distance traveled by Vishal is 1900 km. So from first condition we get x plus y is equal to 1900. That is equation 1. Now read second condition. Travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete journey. Here they give us speed, time and distance. So we need to use time, distance and speed formula. From this formula, we get time required to cover x kilometer by bus is equal to x upon 60 and time required to cover y kilometer by aeroplane is equal to y upon 700. And for cover all distance, it requires 5 hours. So from second conditions, we get x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5. With cross multiplication, we get 700x plus 60y upon 42,000 is equal to 5. Then shift 42,000 from left to right side. So it changes its place from denominator to numerator. And we get 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 into 42,000. Now multiply it. But all terms can be divided by 10. So divide by 10 to both sides. And we get 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. That is equation 2. Now we have two equations. In this problem, we just want to find out value of x only. As they ask find the distance we shall travel by bus. So to find the value of x, we have to eliminate variable of y. For that, we need to make their coefficient same. So multiply equation 1 by 6. Due to having same sign of both terms, we need to subtract equation 3 from equation 2. After subtracting, we get 64x is equal to 9,600. After solving, we get the value of x is equal to 150. That is the distance we shall travel by bus. So, write answer in word and try to solve same type of problem from problem set 1. If you find any difficulty to solve, please write in comments. If you like the video, please click on like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.